Vantage Precision Machining students invent, design, and manufacture components and tools meeting precise industry specifications. Students are trained to combine their knowledge of materials with advanced computer-controlled design, allowing them to make durable products needed for production that are able to be repeated with accuracy.
Hey everyone, my name is Jared Pierce. I'm a junior at Vantage in Precision Machining. I had friends and family who came to Vantage and now have successful careers and make good money. The positives of Vantage are you can participate in your extracurricular activities like I do wrestling and football. Also, you can go to your home school when you have events. At Vantage, you get many opportunities and certifications. Like my 2 years here at Vantage, I work on manual machines and CNC machines. Vantage was a great choice for me because it prepares me to get ready for my job or go to college.
At Vantage Career Center, precision machining students prepare for in-demand careers right out of high school. With certifications aligning with advanced technology and apprenticeship opportunities, students have the potential to earn a high-paying wage upon graduation. Whether college or career-bound, Vantage students get the edge on their futures.